In front of me is Nokia G42, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic text correction. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to Access System. Then tap on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Keyboard. Following that, just go into Text Correction, scroll down a bit, and tap on this switcher next to Auto Correction. This way, you will switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!